Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for being here. I'm so excited today to be sharing 5 of my favorite fall outfits with you today, featuring finds from Poshmark.
Okay, outfit number 1, we have this 90s vintage men's sweatshirt from Poshmark. I love this for fall outfits because it's gonna keep you warm. I mean, if you wear this during summer, you are going to sweat. So very fall appropriate and works great with the holey jeans, again on theme, where it's chilly enough you need to cover your legs, but also warm enough that the holes are not going to be an issue. So for this iteration, it's styled with combat boots, and here in outfit 1B, I have these lace-up sneakers, which are not mine, they are borrowed, and additionally are not actually Converse. These are, as you'll see, these are Ice 9 Kills merch, so if it looks like these are about 2 sizes too big for me, it's because they are. Outfit 2, you might be thinking, Hillary, this is not a second outfit, that's the same sweater, but hear me out, it's fall. When it's chillier, you need jeans. When it's maybe just a brisk fall day, sweater and shorts weirdly works. This is one of my favorite go-to outfits. I feel like it really lets the sweatshirt shine. You get to wear some interesting tights. And I do actually style this with the combat boots. Outfit number 3, we're doing a color palette 180 here featuring 2 items from Poshmark. This beautiful lavender cardigan from Abercrombie and these ripped off-white jeans from 1 Teaspoon, again wearing the shoes that are not mine. What I love about this outfit is it's actually inspired by a Machine Gun Kelly outfit, and the fact that I watched the music video and realized I already have all these items in my closet. How amazing is that? And here I will show my shoe that is untied. There it is. Love it. Okay, outfit number 4 here to me is the quintessential fall outfit featuring our cable knit sweater from Poshmark with leggings and boots. These boots are legitimate snow boots that are going to keep your feet warm if it is snowing outside. If you live somewhere actually cold, you need these. This is going to be an excellent outfit for you to transition into winter by layering jeans on top of the leggings, layer thermals under the sweater, add a coat, add a scarf. Yeah, A+. Outfit number 5, we have the best for last featuring 2 items from Poshmark, this denim Sherpa Topshop jacket and these plaid Zara pants. And shout out to my sister-in-law Lindsay here for the custom screen printed tee. I love this outfit for not just fall, but I actually wore this for Christmas last year with a black bodysuit. For this styling, I chose a white tee just to add a little bit more contrast, but additionally, when I take the jacket off here in a minute, you'll notice it really lends a casual vibe to wearing trousers during the day. This to me is the perfect outfit where I feel 110% casual, cool, and yeah, I think it just works amazing with the black combat boots. Let me know in the comments down below if you would recreate any of these outfits and which one was your favorite.
Post-production Hillary here. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you want to check out Poshmark, see what kind of secondhand treasures you can find, I'll have them linked down below. Bye!